Hey guys, I'm back again. And before I start this video, I'm still not completely myself. My throat is still killing me. So I can't really be loud as I usually am. I really can't. But today we're gonna unbox the Styletone box because it's long overdue. But I have to catch my breath. Even before I start with that, remember the giveaway that I used to do? It was actually supposed to end when I got 500 subscribers, but it's kind of going slow and I don't want the makeup to go to waste, so I closed the giveaway and the winner is Anna. Her last name starts with a B. Honestly, I'm sorry, I didn't memorize your last name. I didn't write it down on paper. I do have it on my computer, but it's way over there in the room and I'm not there right now. Anna, I sent you a message underneath your comment saying that you've won. I've closed that giveaway. Another giveaway will start really soon. And Anna, you have, as of today, 2 weeks to send me an email with your address. And I wanted to send you a message, but for some reason, I'm not really sure why, but YouTube does not allow me to send messages anymore through YouTube. You used to be able to do that. It went to your Google account, I believe, is linked to YouTube, so you got an email. But for some reason I can't do that, and I'm not really sure why. But since I can't do that anymore, I sent you a comment, like I said, underneath your comment, underneath the video. And I also added my email address, so you can send me an email with basically your address. So Anna, please check that. If you don't, within 2 weeks, I'll give you now, because maybe you're on holiday, I don't know. But within 2 weeks, I have to be also fair to other people. And if you don't send me your address, I'm afraid this box over here will not be coming your way and I will have to send it out to another. And I know, guys, the original giveaway was just for this palette alone. It's sealed, so clearly I'm not gonna open it, but it's this palette. But I figured just including this palette would be kind of stupid. So not only do you get this palette, but you get all of these goodies in here as well. So Anna, please once again respond to me, because it's already been a week that I sent you an email and a link under God, that's not even a link, a comment under your comment. So you should have been able to see that. So if you do not respond, I am horribly sorry once again, but I have to think about the other people that obviously also stand it a fair chance. It was a blind pick, so no, I don't know Anna personally, so there's nothing going on over there. This box is gonna wait for Anna. If she doesn't respond, I will comment underneath that video. So make sure to still keep an eye out within 2 weeks. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the Styletone box because it's been way too long. I've been yapping for a solid 5 minutes. So Styletone box, booklet right here. Got the beautiful paper. I'm gonna rip apart. Oh, everything is in bubble wrap. Okay, there we go. Okay, bubble wrap out. So this is what's on the inside of this month's box. Okay, let's start something that I think we already received and it's opened. I'm not really sure why it's opened, but it's supposed to be like that. This is from Duce. This is a lipstick in the... Oh, what the... I didn't get a sticker. Are you guys able to see that? Look at that. What's happened here? Where's the sticker? What the hell? But it's a click system. That's how we open it. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? A freaking brown toned lipstick again, come on. Yeah, no. It smells really good. I'm not gonna keep this because I literally have the exact same shade already. Now I understand why Styletone asked us in this, was it on Facebook or was it on Instagram? Honestly, it might even be both. I'm not really sure, but they asked us what kind of a lipstick we'd like to see, brown, red, or pink. Honestly, I would like a nude, or an orange coral color, or a pink one, but brown. And surprisingly to me, a lot of people ask for brown. I'm not really sure why people keep asking for brown, because we already received so many brown lipsticks, so I'm not happy with this. I'm just gonna be honest, I already have that lipstick. Let's see how much it costs. There we go. Duce Click lipstick. Yes, exact same one I already own. So this one you will be seeing in a giveaway. It's 24 euros. Okay, so far not so good. Moving on to, oh, this is from Avril. We also received in the past a couple of eyeshadows from Avril. Wow, I'm bumping the camera. Yeah, I can see like the ring light going. Sorry. This is a cute little nail polish from Avril. It's in Rose Ballerina number 629. This is what that fella looks like. It's really like really soft pink, like cotton candy pink. Let's see how much this costs. Oh, you could get 5 different colors. Unfortunately, I didn't get the orange one. I would have loved the orange one. But this nail polish costs 3 euros. Okay, we're gonna move on to a tube from. Are we still not done with Figs and Rouge, people? Come freaking on. I'm so done with this brand. Figs and Rouge, Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD Plus Matte Veil, Hydra Pore. Okay, is this a primer or moisturizer? It's a pore perfecting soft focus veil. Basically a luxurious word for whether it's moisturizer or primer. I'm not really sure. So let me just grab the booklet and see. There we go, what the book says. Okay, it says that it's a serumed, like serum, but with a T. Serumed? I've never heard of a serumed. Is that just a typo? Because is this a serum? I don't know, guys. I will definitely have to check it out online. But this is what that fella looks like. And in the booklet, it says it costs a ridiculous 31 euros. And I can already tell you it's not going to be worth its money. Because I just know Figs and Rouge is never worth its money. Sorry, I'm just going to be honest. Okay, 2 more items. Box is empty. There we go. One item is from Lipo? What? It's an S, but I can't really read it. Infinity Black Eyeliner. Oh! It's got a little pointy tip. This is what that fella looks like. Basic black eyeliner. Basic black eyeliner. I'm not really sure with these things because they usually do tend to feather. Though, this one, wow, it's not moving. Holy crap. Okay, you guys need to see this. I mean, I need to stand up for this. Do you guys see this? Look. Holy cow. It's not moving. It's a good thing. Okay, so let's just see what it says in the booklet about this fella. It's number 1. Oh, it's San Filippo. Or Filippo. San Filippo, whatever you want to pronounce it like. But it costs 8 euros and 95 cents. So that's a reasonable price. And it's really good so far. It doesn't feather, it doesn't smudge. I'm really excited to give this a try. And now the very last item in the box from IB Beauty. Is this an eyeshadow? I think it's an eyeshadow. It's a highlighter, the bubbly highlighter. It seems very dark to be a highlighter, honestly. And I already know that I'm probably not going to use it. So I'm not going to get it out of the seal so I can give it away. This is what that little fella looks like. As you can see, it's sealed. I'm not going to get it out of the seal. It says over here that it costs 5 euros. Okay, guys, we are done. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in here. I'm just going to be honest. I don't know. I didn't see this box to be something special to me, at least. I know I'm going to give this fella a try because I really like it. The lipstick I already have, so that's definitely a no-go. The highlighter is way too dark for me. That's a no-go. The Figs and Rouge, I'm going to try, but I know it's not going to work for me. And the Avril, I will have to check because we received like an entire box of the Avril minis like back in the day. Or wait a minute, or wasn't it Avril? No. We received a lip pencil from Avril. That was a different brand. Anyway, it's kind of a similar color. So if it's the same color, then this fella is going to go as well because there's no use keeping two colors when I usually work with gel nails. So this is pretty much the only thing I'm actually going to use. That's not good. I'm just going to be honest, but I can't yap too much because my throat is killing me once again. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below, what do you guys think of this month's box? I'm not really too pleased with it, but then again, looking at it like from a different perspective, like it's not me. It's an okay box. It's not bad, but it just isn't for me this month. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I think I already said that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!